Welcome back. Let's understand this interesting question. It says that X and Y are two alloys which were made by mixing zinc and copper in the ratio 6:9 and 7:11, respectively. If 40 grams of alloy X and 60 grams of alloy Y are melted and mixed to form alloy Z, what is the ratio of zinc and copper in alloy Z? So let's understand. That's our first step, understanding the question. Let's understand the question well. Understanding the question. So we understood that there are two alloys, that is alloy X and alloy Y. Alloy X, there are 40 grams, and alloy Y, 60 grams. That is given. Also, what is given in X alloy, the zinc, the ratio of zinc to copper in this zinc to copper, that is given as 6:9, 6:9, and in alloy Y, the zinc to copper ratio is 7. Zinc to copper is 7:11, right? That's given to us. Now we are given the total alloy, that is X alloy is 40 grams and alloy Y is 60 grams. And we are given the ratio of part to part, right? We are not given the part to total. So can we say, to understand, can we understand if zinc to copper in X is 6:9, that means zinc to total is going to be 6:15. 6 plus 9, that is 15. Zinc is to total, that ratio is 6:15, and copper to total in X is going to be 9 parts out of 15 parts. That is 9:15. Similarly, for Y, the alloy Y, it is 60 grams as the total, and the ratio of zinc to copper is 7:11. So can we say that zinc to total, what will be zinc to total proportion? That is 7:18, which is 7 plus 11, that is 18. Similarly, copper to total, what will be copper to total? That is 11 parts out of 18 parts. That is 11:18, right? That's the understanding of the question. Let's now, second step, let's now start solving, right? Let's solve the question now. Now, what is the question? Solving the question for X, can we say that in X there are 40 grams. Now, how much copper and how much zinc will be there? There are two parts in this alloy, that is zinc and copper. How much is zinc? Zinc is 6:15 of the total. That is 6/15 of 40. And how much is copper? That is the ratio of copper to total is 9:15. That means 9/15 of 40. What about similarly for alloy Y? That is 60 grams are there. And how much zinc and how much copper? We understood that zinc is 7/18. 7/18 of 60. Similarly, how much is copper? That is 11/18 of 60, right? So these are now the absolute values of zinc, copper in alloy X, zinc and copper in alloy Y. Let's reduce it. So 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 5s are 5 8s are 40. Similarly, this is going to be 16 grams here. That is, zinc is 16 grams in alloy X. That is, out of 40 grams, 16 grams is zinc. How much is copper in alloy X? That is 3 3s are 3 5s are 5 8s. So we can say the remaining portion, that is 24 grams, that is copper in X. Similarly, for Y, how much is zinc? Reduce it. Let's reduce 6 3s are 6 10s are. So that means 7 into 10, that is 70 upon 3 grams. So 70 upon 3 grams is zinc. And how much is copper? 6 3s are 6 10s are, that is 110 over 3, right? So we understood that this is the total grams of zinc in X. Similarly, total grams of zinc in Y. And similarly for copper as well, 24 grams in alloy X and 110 upon 3 grams in alloy Y. Now the question, let's solve the question. It says, what is the ratio of zinc to copper in alloy. Now you're mixing. So how much the third alloy, that is Z, how much zinc will be there? Zinc will be 16 plus 16 grams plus 70 upon 3 grams, right? That's the total zinc in the third alloy. How much will be copper now? That is 24 grams plus 110 upon 3 grams, right? This will be the total copper in the third alloy. Now let's solve this. Now let's simplify this, and that's our answer, which we are closer to. So from the numerator, the denominator, that is LCM, is 3. 16 threes are 48 plus 70 over, again LCM is 3, 72 plus 110. That's the solution. 3 gets cancelled out. That is 118 over 182. 2 gets cancelled out. 2 5s are, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are, 2 1s are. That is 59 ratio 6. 59, this is 9 here. 59 ratio 91, 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are. So 59 ratio 91. Option B is the correct answer here. I hope you got the understanding of the question. See you in the next video.